All right, so we've come out into the garage, or the man cave, or the Kit Kat cave, whatever you prefer to call it, to find Don insulating. Oops, here's what I came out to take a look of. So what do you got going, Don?
Well, you make a measurement.
Measure twice, cut once.
And then you make a mark.
Yeah. Yeah.
You make another mark.
Yeah. Oh.
Try not to get paint on your hands. And then you cut.
Just freehand, so exciting. Where did you learn to do this, Don?
Years of experience, grasshopper.
Here, we'll zoom in. Okay, this is pretty exciting video, that's for sure. So what is this? It looks like about 3/4 inch thick foam.
It's an inch foam.
Inch foam. It gives you what, maybe a 4 or 5 R rating?
Yeah.
Probably about that. And you can see right behind Don where he's already put it in the wall. Oops, oh wait, I don't want to miss this. Oh, you make it look easy.
Yeah.
Oh, I see your foam collection over there.
Oh yeah.
That's exciting. All right, and then you zip right around.
And hopefully it fits without much problem.
Which I'm sure that's been probably a few.
No, it's a little snug
Little snug.
on the bottom.
All right.
So just cut it a little off.
Okay. Well, in the meantime, I'll be looking around. So here's what we got going. If I swing up to the garage door, you can see the nice white puffy stuff. So Don is insulating the shed. And the foam is just the first part. It gives him, like I said, 4 or 5 R rating. And then he has, to be shown later, an additional layer that's going to go and build it up. And so probably the rating will be probably 7 or 8 total here in the shed on the walls. And I think you said even with just half done, it's still already making a difference, huh, honey?
Yes.
Yep. So that's cool. Okay, more to come, but
And then you make it fit.
oh, that's right. Well, that's going nowhere.
You just have to persuade it.
You're persuading it.
That's when you know you got it.
So do this 20 more times and you're done. Done with this step.
Well, I have that side to do, yeah.
That's the 20 more times. Okay, well, I'm going to take a look out at this beautiful, breezy, high I guess it's still winter, but it sure feels like spring.
The shed over there.
Okay, Don just made mention, so I'll go ahead and give you a preview right now, but of what our next plan is, which we just decided this afternoon. So here we have had in our backyard this 10 by 12 shed where the lawnmower currently lives, and what we've realized is that, but we don't, I guess I should say, we don't like where it is right now, because really this is our backyard. I know you could say we have the woods as our backyard, but you know, we have the back porch, and there's just opportunity here to make just a more backyard feeling, entertaining type thing. Maybe a fire pit, maybe a place to sit out, things like that. But we have this shed that has been useful, but let me swing around. Again, here on our beautiful winter spring day, meaning still winter but feels like spring. So as we come down around the side of the building here, we have this quite nice large remaining bit of patio, and we have concluded that if we can find someone, which we think we can, to move that 10 by 12 shed, we will be able to zoom in. You can see there's one corner. Well, look who came on cue. All right. Well, what is it, kitty? Okay, well, he came out to inspect. All right. Well, let's see what he wants now. Anyway, here's our second corner. And leaving a 2-foot gap between that shed and this. Then we come over here. And here's this corner here. And then back to... Kitty, you're very distracting for video, but you're very cute. All right, but are you saying that I should stand over here? Maybe that's what you're after. Anyway, here we are at the back corner. I think you get the idea. The cat was very distracting. He's jumping down now. We'll make this be a cat video after all. And we'll watch him slink off into the evening. And also summarize, so we're basically talking about moving the shed. It'll give us all that extra storage, it'll get it out of our now backyard, and that's about it. So that'll be a future video. Just gotta see where our cat's gonna go from here though. Where are you off to, kitty? It's about 70 degrees outside. I don't even think it's going to be that cold here tonight, so if he wants to stay out, he certainly might. This is his active evening time. All right, kitty, have a good evening. Come back later, okay?